Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a quick mask. How do we use the quick mask means first what happened, I want to go to the file menu and I want to open. When I want to open here guys, then you want to select this image here. When I want to select this image, in that image I want to go to the layer panel. In that layer panel I want to open the lock. When I want to open the lock, I want to select only particular some area, means that time we use the quick mask. First guys, you want to select that layer 0 and you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar you want to select this option guys, edit quick mask mode. The edit quick mask mode shortcut key is there Q. When you want to select edit quick mask mode, that time my layer it is converted into the reddish. When it is converted into the reddish, then guys you want to select the brush tool and you want to select how much area you want to select, that much of area you can use it here. I want to select only this much of area. Then guys, again you want to remove this quick mask mode, means again you want to come to the toolbar and again you want to click on the quick mask mode. When you want to select the quick mask mode, then guys you want to see here my face and my background also it is added. That means you want to remove your face. That time you want to go to the layer menu and you are using the layer mask. When I am using the layer mask, that time you want to see guys how much area I want to select it, that much of area is hide here. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a like that type you want to use this quick mask mode guys. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.